Okay, so if you want to record with your face present, record your screen, you can go to screencastomatic.com and you can see up at the top of the screen, screencastomatic.com, and if you leave out the dashes in the name, it will still come up. And then you simply choose Launch Recorder, and on my Mac, it tells me that it needs to open it with the screen recorder application, so I will choose Open Link. And now it puts a little box around the screen. And so this box around the screen that you can see is what area of the screen is going to be recorded. If you want the entire area of the screen to be recorded, you can expand that box to cover the entire area of the screen. And then when I check on the settings over here, it gives me the option of just doing the screen, just doing my webcam, or doing both. So I'd want to choose both. It also has narration down here. I can change the size, and it's got a max time. So if you want to time limit yourself, then you can do that. This is up to 15 minutes, which should be plenty for your presentation. So when I'm ready to go, I just hit record, and now it's counting down and it's recording. So now I am creating a new recording, and whatever happens on my screen will show up in this new recording. So I can do something like go to Google and Screencastomatic tutorial. So if you need more information, you could probably get it from one of these videos here. And that's a recording, and you see my face in the corner. And so now I've stopped the recording and I am done. And now you can see the recording here. This is what I just recorded here. And so I am going to play this recording and see what happens. And it's recording. So now I am creating a new recording, and whatever happens on my screen will show up in this new recording. So I can do something like go to Google and Screencastomatic tutorial. So if you need more information. So there it is. That's the recording, and then it gives me these options to save it. I can upload it to YouTube directly, upload it to Screencast-O-Matic if I had a Screencast-O-Matic account, or just save it on my computer as a video file. Your best bet is probably to upload it to YouTube because that'll make it easier to share with everybody. And that's pretty much all that there is to it, but if you have any more questions, let me know.